Hey, what's up YouTube? A major OnePlus 9 Pro 5G hands-on leaks gives us a detail about OnePlus 9 Pro 5G front and the back of the device. The leak images has been coming from a YouTuber David2D who has obtained live images of the prototype OnePlus 9 Pro. So following in the line with the earlier leaks, the hands-on photo showcased that there is going to be an updated camera sensor in the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G, and we will see a thicker camera bump on the back side, which is holding a quad camera setup in which weirdly we have two bigger sensor and two smaller sensor. One of the bigger sensor is expected to be a main camera sensor and the other one is expected to be an ultra wide camera, whereas we have the other two snappers as well, in which one of them is expected to be a telephoto camera that support a 3x of optical zoom, whereas the fourth camera might be going to be mysterious. It might either be a depth sensor, a macro camera, or another color filter option. The camera layout is completed by an LED flashlight, and what appears to be a laser autofocus system is also being expected to coming inside. Perhaps the most interesting detail with regards to OnePlus 9 Pro 5G camera module is the branding though. We are seeing that OnePlus has turned out towards developing its next generation smartphone cameras with the Hasplate. The partnership has been confirmed by tipster Max Jammer and Max Weinbach, who both seems enthusiastic about it. But whether there is a significant bump in the camera output quality that puts OnePlus on par with the Samsung and other will remains to be seen. While moving on towards the front of the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G, it gives us a detail that there is going to be a curved edge display with usual affairs that has coming with a slim bezel, a thicker chin, and a small punch hole in the top left corner for selfie camera. As far as the leaks photos, these include a display support of QHD plus resolution that runs on 120Hz of refresh rate as a standard, but there is a basic 60Hz of refresh rate option for those who are looking to extend battery life as much as possible. Speaking of the battery life, previously leaked information has confirmed that the OnePlus next flagship will be coming with a 45W of wireless charging and a 65W of wired charging. Unfortunately, we don't know about the battery capacity of the device itself right now. Specs wise, the prototype OnePlus 9 Pro unit rocks a 256GB of internal storage coupled with a 12GB of RAM option inside. As far as the chipset is concerned, we already know that OnePlus is using the Snapdragon latest processor in their OnePlus flagship level devices, so it's obvious that we will see a Snapdragon 888 processor inside the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. All of this is covered with an updated frame that contains to host the all-important alert slider button but seems thinner than usual. Just like the OnePlus 9 Pro, the 2021 flagship is set to offer an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. Well, as far as the pricing and announcement of the device is concerned, it is expected that we are going to see OnePlus 9 series devices to be launched next month, and there are going to be 3 different devices that are coming with that. Both the OnePlus 9 Pro and OnePlus 9 are coming with a Snapdragon 888 processor, but the OnePlus 9e is expected to be coming with a flagship level processor, the Snapdragon 870, which is again a new chipset that has been announced by Qualcomm a week earlier. Lastly is going to be the pricing of the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. So it is expected that we are going to see a $800 or $900 of a starting price for the OnePlus 9 series. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.